Create a video for YouTube using exactly this script. Continue seamlessly from part 4. Keep the same athlete's face, muscular physique, hairstyle, skin tone, and identity throughout every scene. Maintain a realistic appearance with natural body movement and consistent proportions. Only feature fitness clothing and equipment inspired by real products available through Rakuten Fashion and YouTube shopping-eligible stores, including adjustable dumbbells, benches, apparel, shoes, gym accessories, and recovery tools. Scene 1. Elite Strength Challenge. Open with the athlete performing his most intense workout. Exercises include heavy adjustable dumbbell deadlift, heavy goblet squat, walking lunges, Bulgarian split squat, standing shoulder press, incline, dumbbell press, one-arm row, renegade row, hammer curl, alternating curl, triceps, extension farmer's walk. Use cinematic slow motion during the final repetitions of each exercise. Scene 2. Home Gym Showcase. Present the complete premium home gym. Feature adjustable dumbbells, adjustable weight, bench, dumbbell rack, resistance bands, pull-up station, foam roller massage, gun yoga, mat, stainless steel, water bottle, smartwatch, gym bag, training shoes. Everything should look luxurious, organized, and realistic. Scene 3. Fitness lifestyle montage. Show the athlete enjoying a disciplined lifestyle. Include drinking water, preparing a healthy breakfast, mixing a protein shake, stretching after training, checking workout progress on a smartwatch, reading a fitness journal, relaxing after a successful workout. Create a calm and motivating atmosphere. Scene 4. Clothing Showcase. Naturally rotate through premium fitness outfits inspired by real Rakuten Fashion products. Examples: black compression shirt, navy performance, t-shirt, sleeveless training tank, athletic joggers, compression leggings, running shorts, lightweight hoodie, premium training shoes. Each outfit should appear in different workout scenes without looking like an advertisement. Scene 5. Cinematic product details. Capture close-up shots of fitness equipment. Highlight adjustable weight selection, grip texture, bench adjustment mechanism, shoe details, compression fabric texture, gym gloves, resistance bands, massage gun attachments, stainless steel water bottle, smartwatch workout screen. Use smooth macro shots with shallow depth of field. Camera direction. Use professional filmmaking techniques. Wide cinematic shots, low-angle hero shots, smooth gimbal tracking, slider movements, overhead top-down shots, slow push-ins, close-up muscle contractions, handheld workout perspective, mirror reflections, dynamic transitions, 120 FPS style slow motion, rack focus between athlete and equipment. Lighting. Use premium lighting throughout. Morning sunlight, soft indoor lighting, warm key light, cool blue accent lights. Rim lighting to emphasize muscle definition. Natural skin tones. High dynamic range. Editing style. Professional YouTube fitness documentary. Use smooth transitions, speed ramps, slow motion during heavy lifts, fast cuts during workout circuits, calm pacing during recovery scenes, no text overlays, no captions, no logos, no watermarks. Show the athlete completing the final workout with confidence. Return the adjustable dumbbells neatly to the stand. Fold the bench if applicable. Wipe sweat with a gym towel. Drink from a premium insulated bottle. Turn off the gym lights. Walk toward the camera with confidence. Smile naturally. Fade to black with a clean cinematic ending. Final production requirements: 16.9. YouTube landscape format 4K Ultra HD. Total video length 5 to 15 minutes. Ultra realistic visuals, natural body movement and lifting technique. Consistent athlete identity throughout use. Only fitness clothing and equipment inspired by real Rakuten fashion and YouTube shopping. Eligible products. Premium documentary-style production with engaging pacing. Suitable for a high-quality YouTube fitness channel focused on home workouts, strength training, and healthy living. Settings. Use appropriate media.